Hi, I'm Bob Martin with Ideal Products, world-leading locker manufacturer, wood, plastic, laminate, and today we're talking about our solid phenolic black core lockers, our SPC 1000 series. This is our Model F, which is a 6-tiered frame of lockers. Each locker 12 inches wide, 12 inches tall. There's one on top of the other, 6 frames. It's good for storing purses and wallets. It's a purse-sized locker. This locker is equipped with Digilocks SOLA key managed lock set. Very, very popular. User programmable for temporary use. And let me show you how it works. This lock is currently locked, and to open this, you push the C button, and then you push the 4 button 4 times in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and push the key symbol. That unlocks the door. Inside, for Casa, I didn't say this before, this is for Casa Grande, Arizona, the city of Casa Grande. These are going to be lockers that they're using inside their city facility, 12 inches wide, 12 inches tall, and 18 inches deep. Each locker is finished with solid phenolic. We've got red on the outside, and for this custom built locker, red on the inside. All the edges are black because that's the color of the core. Equipped with Digilocks SOLA key managed lock sets, user programmable for temporary use. Heavy duty stainless steel exposed knuckle hinges. Strike plate on the inside of the door, and then an 1.5 inch diameter recessed number disc, which is going to be stainless steel. These are our solid phenolic core lockers, SPC 1000 series, and these are for the city of Casa Grande in Arizona.